How to make and create charity infographic on Canva PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make charity infographic in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com, click on create a design, search for infographic and click on the first option. It will take you to this page. Right here you will find many options. Scroll down until you find charity infographic. Click on see all and choose, for example, a template, this one for example, or this one or this one. You have many options. Choose the one that you want and you can edit the text and the pictures and everything. After you finish, click here on share and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.